Pulton plant. I've gone through this training of 3 days regarding awareness of stacker and PIV, VNA. So the day one was all of theory. We got to know what are the different parts in stacker, how stacker works, what are the controls of stacker, regarding batteries of stacker and everything. And on day three and day two, we are in the practical. So practice was good. The trainers here has taught us very good. So I am now able to I am now able to get on a stacker and a VNA. So I am now confident so that I can drive those things perfectly in Pulton plant. I've gone through this training.
Forklift Academy of India.